The MIAP.meyer object is a utility external that allows you to import Meyer matrix 3 or D-Mitri project files that have maps and trajectories in them and convert those, export those maps and trajectories to the MIAP-native JSON files. Human readable, you can edit them there, and then you can import them into the other objects and use them in Max and PD. Attributions and links, just like all the other help patches, are here. And let's read in a project. Let's try reading in a D-Mitri project, which should be, you can find an example D-Mitri project in your miscellaneous folder, D-Mitri projects. So load that in. That has a bunch of different maps in it, already created. So if I set the map ID, and in QStation you'll see that all of these maps have IDs. You can see whether it loaded in successfully or not. If it says map read 0, then you have a problem. So if I try to load in a -1, there is no ID with a -1. So let's load in map 0, and also let's load in a trajectory. Now you write maps and trajectories to different files. So we'll write the map, I'll write it to the desktop, and we'll just write it with a generic name, untitled. Same thing for untitled trajectory. And now you've exported the file to a JSON file. So if we look on the desktop, we could see an untitled map file, which looks something like this. It's a JSON file with all the information of the map in it. Same thing for the trajectory. And now we can load in, open up one of the MIAP Panner help patches and load in those files. So let's load in the map. And there's the map that we just exported and created as a JSON file. And if we load in the trajectory, we'll also see a trajectory. So now we can control it within the MIAP, Max, and PD objects.